I'll talk from a business model and a technical model. From the business side, you have seen the network operators just started to launch 4G networks. I mean, in the Gulf, okay, it's been there for 2 years, but when we talk about Africa that's ramping up, or you talk other regions where LTE is still in development, then the network operators need to get a return on investment before they actually start to engage in new network technologies. But what's happening is that the consumer demand and the new applications that are coming in will necessitate for them to start the investments. So that will need to be very much evaluated, the opportunity against the investment in terms of the 5G deployment. It is going to happen. The question is, what is the demand that's going to be for it in terms of the applications and the consumer products. On the technical side, it has been really mostly on the coverage area, because 5G is going to be deployed at high frequencies, and it's going to require significant chunks of spectrum. So the question is, how do you optimize that spectrum? And in places like the UAE, it's not a problem because the network operators have abundance of spectrum that they can use. But in most other markets where it's quite limited and sometimes fragmented, then it requires a lot of work with the regulators to ensure that there is enough spectrum for 5G. And then the solution on the coverage, you've seen the presentation, is we started to put certain technologies like smart beamforming and a few other things in order to improve coverage for 5G in dense areas. So just to summarize, on the business side, it's really the investments that are required to meet the opportunities. So when the opportunities happen,